Hey guys, as you know, Hurricane Irma is quickly approaching the east coast of the United States. With that being said, preparedness is key. So I'm going to show you today how to make a proper bread and milk sandwich. First, you want to remove a couple slices of bread from your pack and place it on your plate. Now you want to make sure you use a plate, because if you don't, you're going to make a mess. Alright? I prefer 2% milk, but you can use whole or skim if you're on a diet, whatever, it doesn't matter. So you're just going to put some milk on your bread. Apply the top layer of bread and enjoy. Stay safe.